What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Heading on my first service call of the day. Tavon, our new plumbing technician, is going to meet me on site. We have a existing residential client that's got a leaky main water valve and has pinhole leaks in copper piping. Now, this is Tavon's second day on the job here at Pipe Doctor Home Services. So I'm basically going to shadow Tavon during this service call and figure out what his strengths and weaknesses are and just be there for some moral support. You all right? Let's go.
Yeah, and as you see here, all's right here. Mm-hmm. So,
What do we got going on in there?
this leak come up here.
Yeah.
Now, even when I try to, the main down, so the main down there is dripping.
Yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. And you have that. Wonderful. All right, there's the house, and the curb stop is right here. We got a little lucky because a lot of growth here on this house, but we're gonna take that nut out, and hopefully the curb stop is accessible. Oh, that was easy. It's just sitting on there like that. Very, very lucky. We're gonna see if that's gonna be forgiving. Have you used one before?
Never.
All right, well,
I know
the valve may be open, so if it's open, it's going to be perpendicular with the street, the head. Let's see if we can get that down there. And I don't know, looks like we got a lot of, maybe, let's see if we turn this. Dirt. Plenty of dirt. I'm gonna get my lighting. All right, we got the water off at the curb stop. We disconnected the street side of the meter, the union. Now we're gonna take out the 3/4 inch brass nipple going into the top of the valve. We got some wrenches. And we're going to put in a 3/4 inch IPS full port valve. Yummy. Making progress. I had my doubts at this step of the game, but he's doing good. I had my doubts, but you're doing good.
Thanks.
You're welcome. There you go. All about the leverage. There, you got it. Look at that. Good stuff. Good stuff. Thought it was going to fold under pressure, but he got it. 90 years later. Now he's going to have a nice, reliable ball valve, easy to turn on and off. Unfortunately, we're not fixing the leak up there, but at least it lives another day. All right, now you should clean the threads on that with a brush and then apply some tape onto that, unless it comes, yeah, see the old school string on there, lamp wick. Good stuff. Good stuff. How clean is it? Let me see that for a second. Wow.
This is the old wick stuff?
Yeah, no, it's good stuff though.
Man, how'd you put that stuff on there? Wrapped it around the same way?
Yeah, yeah. All right, yeah, throw some Teflon tape on it. Put the ball valve on it and rebuild it. All right, I went to the truck and I put a wire wheel on my drill, cleaned all the threads on this 3/4 inch brass nipple. That's, other than that, perfect. Nothing wrong with this nipple. No need to change it. Let's wrap some Teflon tape on it. Kiss, that's right, baby.
Oh my.
That's right.